Just one touch of it happens every time. Make a little shout out. Eid Mubarak, everyone. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear, taught me everything I know. Can't imagine leaving someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Hi, Idol! May shout out. Ang bakasyon pa para sa Eid. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. You kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you